Hello friends, today I want to do the unboxing of sneakers that I got on Amazon, and they are Fila Disruptor 2 and I've got them also in white color. And let's get started. So here is the box. I removed the shipping box already, so box looks like this. It has a red side here and white with some Fila logo here. It's called Disruptor 2 Premium, and I've got them in size 10 as normally I wear in sneakers size 9.5, but I heard that they run a little bit small as I read the reviews. That's why I've got number 10 US. Let's open them. So here they are. They are put like so. And let's see them. Oh, nice. So here is shoe number 1. Looks like this. They are really nice quality wise. I've got a white color with this Fila logo in blue and red, and here we have also Fila, and here I've got them. It was some promotion, and here we have this thingy to pull them out, and here we have Fila logo. Oh, and here also at the sole. I really like the sole as it's really sturdy and a little bit chunky, and it's comfortable. I think it's cushioning a little bit, and it's good quality for the price. And they are made from leather and synthetic kind of mixture of it. For example, this thing is from synthetic, but this part is I think from leather, and this also, because when you look here it's visible that it's leather, and also here it's visible that it's made from real leather. I really like them. They are chunky and in style right now, and this part maybe it's not from leather, and here we have those little dots to have some dots that make them breathable more than normally, and here also. And I like them in general. And let's see, inside they also have Fila here logo on the insole, and here they have cushioning, and the other one looks like so. Inside they have those inserts to keep shape of them, and two of them looks like so. Wait a minute, maybe this will be the thumbnail. So yeah, these are my new Fila Disruptor Premium sneakers. them also in the pink color if you want to see me unboxing them. Then I have a video on my channel too, as I did unboxing of them also. So yeah, that's how they look. If you want to make some videos how to style them, then let me know in comments and I will maybe do, and maybe lookbook or something. So yeah, so that's it for today video unboxing, and hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. If you like, it's free, and you can check out my blog, which is link in the description below. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.